Hallelujah. Bless his name. Thank you, Father, for your mercy and your grace. Hey, somebody needs this right now. But how many of you know after the rain, the sun will shine again? That's something right there. This whole Sukkah situation is like real life lessons in life today or something. You know, I don't know exactly how to explain it, but man, after the rain, the sun will shine. No more cloudy days. Said that it would not rain always. After the rain, the sun will shine. No more cloudy days. Said that it would not rain always. Your storm dum, 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 dum. Your storm will pass. Happy Sukkot! All praises to the Most High Yah and His Salvation-Yahawashi and the Ruach Qodesh. Boy, it's been an interesting night in the Sukkah. I'm a little wet. That's because I was outside for a minute. Not necessarily because I was in here. But yeah, I noticed a few flawed designs. So if next year should come and he has not returned, I got a few ideas on how I might want to overcome them. I see something that I did that I liked that I didn't do last year. So, you know, it's probably gonna be a long day, but I'm in it to win it. As the songwriter said, this is what you came for. You'll be blessed. And remember, your storm will